Are you a construction professional, tired of juggling spreadsheets and struggling with cash flow forecasts? What if you could generate accurate, industry-standard S-curves, run complex risk simulations, and get AI-powered advice, all in one place? Introducing Coravantis Cash Flow Intelligence, the all-in-one React application designed to revolutionize your project financial management. Let's dive right in. The core of Coravantis is its powerful forecasting engine. You're not limited to just one model. We give you 4 industry-standard options. There's the DHSS model, also known as Hudson's Formula, which is perfect for creating standard forecasts with customizable curve shapes. For quick estimates, Bromelo's simple S-curve model has you covered. If high accuracy is your goal, Kenley's logistic model offers an incredible fit with minimal parameters. And for projects where risk is a major factor, the Kaka and Price model allows you to build risk-adjusted forecasts. You just input your project name, contract value, and duration, and instantly, you have a professional S-curve chart and a detailed monthly breakdown. But we know not every project starts from scratch. That's why we built powerful import features. Have your own cash flow data in Excel? No problem. Just download our pre-formatted template, fill in your numbers, and upload Italiano. Even better, we have full integration with Primavera P6. If you manage your projects in P6, you'll love this. Simply export your cost-loaded schedule as an XER file and upload it directly into Coravant. The application automatically extracts the contract value, duration, project name, and dates. It's a massive time saver. You can configure retention percentages with automatic release schedules, and even handle GCC-specific advance payments with pro rata recovery. We've also included settings for the defects liability period, ensuring your forecast accounts for that final retention release after practical completion. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful features: risk analysis. Forecasting a single S-curve is one thing, but understanding the potential range of outcomes is what separates good project controls from great ones. With our built-in Monte Carlo simulation, you can run up to 50,000 iterations on your forecasts. This gives you the confidence intervals you need to make informed decisions and manage stakeholder expectations effectively. Powered by your choice of leading AI models like Gemini, OpenAI, or Claude, our assistant analyzes your specific project data. You can save and load your projects straight from the cloud, making them accessible from any device, anywhere. You can also import XER or saved project files directly from your Google Drive. All your hard work, including your Monte Carlo simulation results, can be uploaded and shared with a single click. You can create a comprehensive PDF report that includes all your charts, scheduled data and risk analysis, perfect for stakeholder meetings. Or, you can export a detailed Excel workbook with all the monthly breakdowns and formulas intact for further analysis. We also built a robust project management system right into the browser. You can save an unlimited number of projects locally, each with a timestamp. Loading a previous project is instantaneous, and it restores everything: your parameters, your imported data, and even your last Monte Carlo simulation results. You can also export projects as files for backup or to share with colleagues. Coravantis Cash Flow Intelligence is more than just a calculator. It's a comprehensive command center for your project's financial health. From initial forecasts to risk analyses and stakeholder reporting, it provides the tools you need to stay in control. Thanks for watching. To learn more and try it for yourself, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates.